Another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this look right here. What do you guys think? I've been obsessed with like these different shapes on the eye. You guys seen I did a look like this inspired by Makeup by Gilly, and I was like, I really enjoyed that look, but I wish I would have like made it a more elongated look. Instead, I kept the outer corner round because that's how he did his look. And I was like, you know what? Why not just do another look similar to that one, a little bit different with some more colors? So this time around, I did a really pretty blue with the lime green, the yellow, and the pink. I'm obsessed. I am so obsessed. You guys know I live for color. I also did change my shelving back here. It's giving fall. I definitely sprinkled a little bit of fall back there. I didn't want to do too much. You guys know I'm a very simple girl. For me, simplicity is effective. So I didn't do too much, but it's definitely giving me fall vibes, and I'm going to be bringing you guys some more fall looks. I kind of went through my collection and grabbed things that I haven't used in a while that I remember loving. So that'll be a little exciting, but other than that, there's nothing new in today's video, but I am going to be sharing this look with you. So before we jump into the video, I also wanted to let you guys know that I just created my very own podcast. I am so excited about it. It's called Girly Conversations. I will put the logo right here so you guys can see it. The podcast is now available on Spotify, and episode 1 is live. I'm not sure if by the time I post this video, episode 2 will be live, but for sure episode 1 is live. So if you guys are into podcasts, or if you really enjoy my content, I think you would really love my podcast. It's going to be about content creation. It's going to be just about everyday life. Basically, I'm just sitting down and being your content creating bestie, and I'm kind of just sharing my experience being a full-time content creator so far. So if you think that that's something you'd be interested in listening to, I'm going to link it down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. But without further ado, if you guys would like to see this look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without further ado, if you'd like to see how I created this look today, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, let's get into this look. It's gonna go a little bit quicker because a lot of the footage from this video completely deleted, so just bear with me. So I'm going in with the shade Spellbound from the Blend Bunny Blends palette, and I'm creating that shape, of course. And then to blend that shade out, I'm gonna go in with Dream, which is a lighter blue. And of course, you do lose intensity when you go in and blend. So I'm gonna go back in with the deepest shade, of course. And by the way, I used the P.LOUISE Base and Groomer 2.5 to prime my eyelid. So once I was pretty happy with the blend, I'm going to go in with the Q-tip and some micellar water as per usual. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up that crease and basically just create the shape so that way it's easier when I go in and cut my crease like so. So now jumping back into the palette, I'm going to go back into the shade Spellbound, and I'm taking a super detailed liner brush. You guys, I keep telling you, stop sleeping on Michael's brushes. Go to your local craft store and get you some paint brushes and use them for your makeup. It's gonna save you a lot of money, and you can get super precise brushes for a super affordable price. So I'm going in with all the same blues as you guys saw. I basically just mapped out the shape and then just cleaned it up. And then I'm gonna go in with this lime green. Now this green is from the Carnival XL Pro palette from BPERFECT and Stacey Marie. Any lime green will do. And then I'm gonna work on the outer portion of the eye. So you guys can see I'm kind of mapping out the shape first, and then I go in and create the intensity and the blend, and then of course I went in and just cleaned it up, which you guys will see in a second. So you're basically just going back and forth with the lighter shade, the darker shade, until you're pretty happy with the intensity, and then go ahead and clean it up. And then of course I wanted to add the pink, which is the pink I was talking about. So I did pink, then the lime green, and then of course the pop of yellow. You guys, this color combo is everything. Okay, so I went off camera and popped on my lashes, so let's get into the base makeup. So I went in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer, and now I'm gonna go in with the NARS Longwear Radiant Foundation. Bomb foundation, color was way too light. Like I said, I kind of just went through my collection and grabbed things I haven't used in a while. Same thing with this Power Bronzer from DANESSA MYRICKS, way too light, so I had to go in with this one from Soul Body. I guess I still don't realize how much color I have from the Florida sun, but moving on. I'm gonna be going in with the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. This is such an amazing concealer. I know it's older, but I feel like I don't see anyone talk about this concealer, and it's bomb. And then for setting powder, I decided to go in with the Huda Beauty, the loose powder, okay? The powder that everybody raves about. It's like the best powder in the world.
I don't see it, okay? Don't hate me, don't judge me. It's just, it's not, I don't see the hype about this powder. I really love my collab powder. That's all I'm gonna say. For the rest of my face, I'm just gonna go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and then I like to use a face powder as a bronzer sometimes. This right here is the JOUER Hydrate and Set Powder, just in a darker shade. This one is in tan. And then I went in with this Super Shock Blush from ColourPop. All the details and names will be down below. And that's basically complexion for now. So let's go ahead and move into the lower lash line. So lower lash line is super simple. You guys know by the time I get to this point, girl, I just want to get something that's going to look cohesive, look put together, and be done with it because I spend so much time on the eyes. So I just went in with the darkest blue and then of course blended that with the lightest blue. And then for my waterline, I'm going in with the P.LOUISE base in the shade Limelight, and then I went over top with the powder green eyeshadow from the Carnival XL Pro. Top that off with some mascara, of course. For my highlight today, I wanted to go in with a more colored highlighter. So I'm going in with the brand new Blend Money Cosmetics highlighter palettes. I'm obsessed. Get into the shift, the glow, the highlights. Like, you can see me from a mile away, and we love that. So that's the highlight, and that basically completes the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know this tutorial was a little bit long overdue, but it's here, and I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.